I just found this over here. It's a mine, it looks like. I have no clue what it is, where it came from. It's actually pretty interesting looking. There is no trespass. Is that a fucking minecart? Oh, anyway, moving on with that. We're gonna continue on over here and check out what this is. Look, there's a minecart there. Whoa, oh god. Fallen. Yeah, there's a minecart there. This is pretty interesting. Oh yeah. Oh. Damn it. Oh. Could have been cool. There's some fucking minecarts. So that's pretty interesting. Not exactly sure how this would work. Maybe it went down. This is I don't know. It's interesting. Anybody knows where this would have went, if it went underground or something? Like, this is cool. Like, I came out here and I didn't expect to see this. Here's my bike way over there. Hello, bike. There we go. I tell you what, they don't spin. they definitely do not spin. Well, maybe they did at one point. Maybe these are props. These look like props. I'm actually... Huh. Because the wheels are welded and there's no axle inside of it. I wonder if this is like a movie prop or something. Because, I mean, here, let's get down here. Yeah, it just looks like props, I guess. Huh, and here I am thinking I found something cool. Nope, just props. Well, I was hoping I could get a cool exploration video, but I guess not. Well, oops. Interesting history. This whole trail used to be a railroad. Now there's some of the railroad that's actually still there to this day, which is actually amazing, but as you can see, they just went around it. But right there you can see there's the old railroad, and that goes from wherever the hell to Rainier. Pretty cool. So the reason this is still here is because over there's a storage line, and I'm guessing they use this as extra storage track. You can tell it used to be the main line because that switch right there, it goes past the storage line right there and it continues on. So this used to be the main line around here. As you can see, it's definitely seen better days, and it doesn't look like there's been a train on these rails in the past 30 years. Now across the street over there's another railroad. Don't exactly remember what these railroads were used for. I think they were used for logging, but I could be wrong on that, so don't quote me. But it's very interesting history behind all the railroads around here. I'm still confused on why they stopped using this one, but it is amazing.